Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, you learn how to use the Revolve and Extrude. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create a line here. And we'll make this sketch. So let's create this. We'll put the dimensions later. So we'll open the Inventor, go to Start 2D Sketch and select the front plane. Select line. Make this sketch here. Let me make this point here coincident. Now let's see the dimensions here. The angle between these two lines here, 45 degrees. The distance between this point and this point here, 5 millimeters. The length here, 20.5, 3 millimeters here, and 8.5 here. And the distance between this point here and this point is 5 millimeters. So let's put the dimensions here. Go to dimensions. The distance here, 5 millimeters. The angle here, 45 degrees. The distance here is 5 millimeters. The distance here, 3 millimeters. The distance here is 8.5. Let's move this point here a little bit. The length here is 20.5 millimeters. We made this. And the distance between this line here and the center line is the diameter here. So it will be, the radius will be 15 millimeters. So let's put this dimension. Go to dimension, select this line and this one. 15 millimeters. We made this, finish the sketch. And to make this body, we use the Revolve features. So go to Revolve. The profile is this one. And the axis, select this line here and press OK. We made this body. So now we'll make this hole. We need to create 4 holes with 5 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Go to Start 2D Sketch and select this face. And select line, construction line. Make a line from the center here. And make a circle here. Remove the construction line type. Make a circle at this point with 5 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So the construction line will have 10 millimeters of length. So go to distance here. The distance here, 10 millimeters. And now go to circular pattern. And the geometry. Select this circle here. And click here to select the axis. You can select the midpoint here. And the quantity will be 4. And the angle 360 degrees and press OK. We made this, finish the sketch. We needed to make a cut here. So to create this cut, go to Extrude, select this profile. And the distance here, select it through all. Select the profile here. Through all this body, operation cut. The output and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.